Okay. Hi guys. Welcome to semi-finals 1. Namaste.
Hey there.
Sat Shri Akal, Adab. So let's start the quiz without wasting any
Any
time.
more time?
Any more time. Look at who's completing my sentences. All right. The first question goes to Abhishek.
Oh,
Abhishek, Hrishikesh Mukherjee informed his writer Gulzar to open the film in such a way that the audience knows in the first scene itself that Dash is dead. He did not want the audience to be in a state of suspense till the end and keep guessing whether someone will survive or not. By doing that, Hrishikesh Mukherjee wanted to concentrate on the essence of the film, on how so and so wants to live life fullest and make the best of the time he has. Now, there is only one blank. All the three blanks is of the same word name. So, what is the name?
it's the name of the actor or the character? Hello?
Huh.
Oh, it's the name of the actor. You need the name of the actor or the character in that movie.
If you read the question, you'll know what it is. If you read the question properly, you'll know whether it's actor or character or anything else or anyone else. So just fill the blank for me. Abhishek, your answer?
Pass.
Okay. Passes to Aditya.
Is it Anand?
It is Anand. Nice answer, man. Yes, it is Anand. The next question goes, since Aditya answered the question, the next question goes to Akanksha. Akanksha, the name Dash is that of the god of dreams in Greek mythology, which is consistent with the character's involvement with the dreaming of the Matrix. Now, which character are we talking about? Who is also the god of dreams, according to Greek mythology? There is a hint in the question as well. अक्षय को आंसर आ गया लग रहा है.
Is it Morpheus?
It is Morpheus. Really good answer, man. Amazing. Yes, it is Morpheus. And it's weird that he is the god of dreams because he is who brings everybody out of the Matrix dream sequence. Yeah. So, yeah. Anyways.
That was intentional.
Yeah, exactly. All right. The next question goes to Akshay. Akshay, Andrew Stanton, the director, pitched his idea and story to John Lasseter in an hour-long session using elaborate visual aids and character voices. At the end of it, an exhausted Stanton asked Lasseter what he thought, to which Lasseter replied, "You had me at fish," quoting the famous movie Jerry Maguire. What is the movie are we talking about, which stars voices of Albert Brooks, Ellen DeGeneres, Alexander Gould, and Willem Dafoe? So I'm talking about the movie that was pitched by Andrew Stanton, not Jerry Maguire.
Finding Nemo?
It is Finding Nemo. Amazing answer, man. The next question goes to Rahul. This is Atirapalli Falls in Kerala. I want you to tell me which 2015 Indian movie was shot in Atirapalli Falls.
ये सब क्यों नहीं पूछ रहा है मेरे को?
चुप रहना. 20 points cut to Abhishek.
Thanks. मेरा क्वेश्चन छोड़ के मेरे को सब आ रहा है.
बाहुबली.
It is
it's the right answer.
Bahubali. Nice answer. Nice. अभिषेक को छोड़ के सबने शुरू कर दिया. अरंगेट्रम हो गया सबका.
हाँ.
Abhi, the question passes to Abhishek now. I mean, the next question goes to Abhishek. Abhishek, name the Bollywood movie highly inspired by The Great Gatsby's posters, designs, and shots.
तुम लोग यही सब पूछो. परेश रावल वाला मूवी था. एक सेकंड रुक, मैं सोच रहा हूँ. मेरे को पता. I know the answer to this.
I'm asking the question again. Name the Bollywood movie highly inspired by
By
The
the stick.
Great Gatsby's poster, designs, and shots.
I know the movie, yaar. I don't know the name. I've seen this thing.
Don't answer if you don't know. Don't give hints also, please.
Wait. I know. By the posters, right? Fuck, yaar. That's a silly movie, I guess. It's not a serious movie, right? It's some shitty movie, right?
Abhishek, give me an
Exposed.
answer. Oh my God, that was an amazing answer. I feel
Well-
like giving more than 10 marks to you. It is, and this is DiCaprio's Toast, which is
I wish. Oh, fuck it. I knew it was a shitty movie.
the name of the movie is Expose or The
Expose.
Expose.
I am not proud of knowing it, by the way.
It's okay. I am proud of you for sure. So your cancel marks are back to you. Then you get 10 for that, and the next question goes to Aditya. Aditya, connect these actors. There's Sydney Poitier, Dennis Haysbert, Morgan Freeman, and Idris Elba. Idris Elba.
Idris Elba.
Aditya?
Thinking.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Like, apart from the fact that they're all Afro-Americans,
They are not Afro-Americans.
Racist.
yeah. They're
Idris
very
Elba
racist.
is not
Ah,
African American.
like, yeah. I mean, have they all played God?
No, that's not the answer. Moves to Akanksha.
No, I can't find any similarity.
Okay. Can I pass?
Yeah.
Moving to Akshay.
Best supporting actor Oscar?
No, that's not the answer. Moving to Rahul.
They all played Mandela.
They all played Mandela. That amazing answer, man.
Good job, man. Good
Amazing
job.
answer.
I was about to say that they all were approached to play Black James Bond.
Okay. Definitely not Morgan Freeman. He would have never.
Yeah, he would have never gotten that.
So yeah, so you can see the
Mandela.
movies in which they played Mandela. They all played Mandela. Nelson Mandela was the Prime Minister of South Africa.
What?
Yeah,
He was the
president.
freedom fighter and then the Prime Minister.
President of South Africa.
President.
Okay, the next question goes to Abhishek.
Oh,
Abhishek,
अरे हिंदी film यार.
Dash is a 1967 Hindi film directed by Adurti Subba Rao. It was a remake of his hit Telugu film Mooga Manasulu of 1963, okay? And was produced by LV Prasad. The film stars Sunil Dutt, X, Jamuna, Pran, and Deven Verma. The award-winning and very popular music was given by Lakshmikant Pyarelal. It is among the earliest films to deal with the theme of reincarnation. Now, I want you to answer two questions. One is, what movie are we talking about? The other one is, who is the actress who won Filmfare for Best Actress for this movie?
I don't think I'll know the movie.
You can try.
Reincarnation bola na?
And you can look at the date also. Okay, I'm not.
As if I was there.
Most of us were not there during many questions that I asked.
What most of us?
My father was 1 year old at that time.
Is it a famous movie? Is it something we all know?
See, that is again relative because
Hmm.
some people don't know expose, but I do. So
Muga Manasulu. I don't know. I don't know the actress. I think the movie is Milan.
beauty.
Is it? Do I have to answer both because I don't know the actress?
You need to
Actress.
answer both.
Oh, sorry then. Pass.
Okay. Then the question passes to Aditya.
Milan and Nutan, I think. I know because मेरी मौसी का नाम नूतन है.
I know that is like reincarnation के time में वो background score आता है. ठीक है, तो Abhishek gets 5 for answering the name of the film, and Aditya gets 5 for answering the name of the actress. It is Nutan who got the award for Best Actress, Filmfare Award for Milan. Okay, so Aditya को pass होने के बाद the question moves to Akanksha. Akanksha, these are the list of songs. Please read the songs. These are the list of songs. I want you to connect these songs, and these are exhaustive list. This is an exhaustive list. Akanksha?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. ना मांगू सोना चांदी from Bobby. चाहूंगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे from दोस्ती. सावन का महीना पवन करे शोर from Milan, the movie that we were talking about.
When I need to find a common factor between all these songs, right?
Yes. एक प्यार का नगमा है. Sorry?
Rishi Kapoor.
No, that's not the common factor. We move it to Akshay. Are you reading the questions, Akshay, or should I read read all the songs?
No, I can read. I can read.
Cool.
I can sing them also if you want.
We'll do that after the question is answered.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same lyricist?
No. Okay. The question moves to Rahul.
Yeah.
Is it the same
different
music
eras? So yeah.
Sorry?
Is it the same music director, Lakshmikant Pyarelal?
Well, this is an exhaustive list, so there are no other songs that can be added to this list. But
No. What I'm saying is it the same music director, Lakshmikant
Yeah.
Pyarelal?
Yeah, basically Lakshmikant Pyarelal might have obviously directed many other songs, right? But this is an
Okay.
exhaustive list. This is an exhaustive list. As in, there is no other song I can add to this list. So I'm going to give you an
1 second. Is it the lyrics, everything is there are opposites in it?
no. The question moves to Abhishek. Pratapan?
म्यूट पे अभिषेक.
Hey, Pratapan.
Is it? Is it like there's a singer and a music director common on all these songs?
No. The question moves to Aditya. This was Akanksha's direct, right? Okay. The question moves to Aditya.
Is Lata Mangeshkar involved in all of them?
No. Okay. So it goes to Akanksha. So I will be giving a clue. Like I said, again, I'm stressing on the fact that this is an exhaustive list, as in there is no other song that I can add to the list. And that is the answer I'm looking for. So the answer of this question will not have any other song added to this list. Okay? And
Okay.
so all these songs are linked to one movie.
Soumya,
Huh.
without giving a clue, if now I've managed to crack the answer. So you want to
No,
wait
no,
for
no, no, no. It's sorry.
Okay, okay,
So
okay, okay.
all these songs are linked to one movie.
Something about memory losses.
No. The question moves to Akshay.
Are all these there in Om Shanti Om, the new one?
No.
Something like that, I think.
The question moves to Rahul.
Uh,
Rahul, you can answer the question now.
yeah, it's a medley that was used in Mr. India. That song.
Absolutely.
Oh,
Yes, I was looking for that
Yeah, was it
answer. I am very proud of this question because I was like researching a lot about this. It was yes, it was a medley that was used when
They lose the
Sridevi
ball.
takes the ball from
Yeah.
the kids when they're playing. So okay, so the question goes to Abhishek now. Abhishek, this is 2007 Hindi film, had a working title of Punjab Mail. Okay, that is the working title of this movie. The female lead was inspired by a girl the director once met on a bus. Okay? However, an audience poll was used to finalize the title, and a title we all know this film by. Okay, this was the second movie he directed and brought him all the success and fame. Tell me the movie's name.
Can you repeat it? I just got a call in between, तो मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे बीच का.
देख 2007 का हिंदी फिल्म है and it had a working title of Punjab Mail. Punjab Mail is the working title of that movie. The female lead of this movie was inspired by a girl that the director met once on a bus. However, an audience poll was used to finalize the title. We all know this film by.
जब भी met.
It is Jab We Met. Nice answer. Awesome. Aditya, while the success of this is undeniable, the flashcard of Disco Fighter had rose suspicion of a possible sequel. But the Dobigad director, producer of this movie, has set the record straight and denied the news that he or she was directing or even writing a sequel to this film. What is this? Fill in the blank and the producer's name. So two answers. I need two answers, which will carry.
I think I know the producer's name. Is it Kiran Rao, Amir Khan's wife? And the name, I'm not sure.
Okay. Should I pass the question?
Yeah, sure.
So I will be passing it to Akanksha. Akanksha?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just checking if you.
No, I'm there. I'm just thinking about.
Yeah, you can think about the answer.
Is the movie Delhi Belly?
And who's the producer?
Amir Khan?
The question moves to Akshay. Actually, you know what, Akshay, I'm not going to pass the question to you because this is going to be too much of a hint for you. So Aditya has guessed the name of the producer, right? And Akanksha has guessed the name of the movie, right? It is Delhi Belly, which had Disco Fighter, who is none other than Amir Khan in the last part.
Well, I was thinking they gave the answer. Why is this question coming to me?
Yeah.
In two parts, the answer was given.
तिवारी तेरे को याद है अपन कब देखे ये मूवी?
मैं नहीं देखा रे आज तक ये मूवी.
क्या बोल रहा है? तू नहीं आया?
तुम लोग नहीं आया. तुम लोग प्लान करे, मैं नहीं आया.
हाँ, वो इधर गए थे ना? टिवोली गए थे ना? Almost half of the college was in that theater.
ये पूरे गंदे पिक्चर टिवोली में देखती थी. तुम लोग को बता दे रहा हूँ.
Okay. लेकिन अपन अच्छा, let's talk about this later.
Yeah, later.
Okay, now I'm going to reverse the order. So Abhishek gets the next question. Abhishek, which artist's biography is titled Anything But Khamosh?
Shatrughan Sinha.
Amazing answer. Next question goes to Rahul.
You're going in
Rahul.
reverse, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rahul, this is, I'm not gonna read dialogue, so you'll have to read it yourself. Can you see the question? I'll try to read it with a very straight face and no emotions involved. Should I do that, or can you read it? Rahul, do you have an answer for this question?
Prestige.
Awesome.
The Prestige.
The Prestige.
The Prestige.
Awesome. Yes, this is from The Prestige. This is the dialogue between Hugh Jackman and
Christian Bale.
Kristen Bale.
Yeah.
When Hugh Jackman tries to tell him why he did the famous Tesla's, what is that thing called? Vanishing
Tesla
cabinet.
Tower.
Vanishing cabinet wala thing. Yeah. Anyway. The next question goes to Akshay. Akshay, during a Y company function, Y is what you have to guess. He mimicked a few senior officers, and from that day on, the workers loved their colleagues' comedy and said he is X. When he later joined the film industry, he decided to use X as a screen name. Another small point about this person is Sunil Dutt noticed his talent and potential and offered him his first movie, Dard Ka Rishta. Who is X, the person, and what is the name of the company? Why? There are clues in the question if you really read.
Yeah. That's what.
Yeah.
What I'm able to understand is.
No.
Yeah. I'm understanding that myself.
Huh. अभिषेक तो अभिषेक है, हरमानी मत बन.
Is this Manoj Bajpayee?
No. The question passes to Akanksha.
Acha, what is Y?
This is Johnny Lever.
What is that answer pertaining to, X or Y?
Johnny Lever and the company's name may be Hindustan Lever Limited.
That's the right answer.
That's the right answer.
Amazing answer. It is Johnny Lever, and he worked in Hindustan Lever Limited. He didn't work in Unilever Limited. He in this
Hindustan Lever.
Lever Limited, and he's from Telangana. Okay.
Oh, really? मेरे को महाराष्ट्रियन लगता था.
नहीं, तेलुगु आदमी है.
He's a proper Telugu आदमी.
क्या? Did he do Telugu movies? मैं कभी देखा नहीं.
He did comedy in Hyderabad. He did a lot of comedy shows and all in Hyderabad where he used to mimic people. That's all. Okay, the next question. Nice answer, Akanksha. Amazing answer. The next question goes to Aditya. Aditya, this is a movie goof that I'm talking about. So there is a goof up that this movie did. And I want you to tell me, I want you to tell me the name of the movie, and 2, I want you to tell me the first blank. You don't have to tell me the second blank. You need to tell me the first blank. Okay. So the movie Goof is Dash displays her collection of paintings to someone, including Claude Monet's Water Lilies, Pablo Picasso's Les Demoiselles Vigno, and Picasso's The Great Player, which are still in existence in galleries. But one is Picasso's The Guitar Player. Okay? But this was not made during the movie's time period. It was made later on. So that was the goof up that the movie did. Aditya's direct. Did you understand the question?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. So identify the movie and identify the first blank.
Pass.
Okay. Moves to Abhishek.
Is it the Titanic? And identify the movie. Is it Titanic?
I have two questions for you, no? That's why I'm तब से देख रही हूँ सब लोग एक question करके
Dash
बोल-
displays her paintings to अच्छा Rose displays her painting to Jack. ऐसा मेरे को वैसा बोलना पड़ेगा.
Answer the question. The two answers.
Rose displays her collection of paintings to एक second. Okay.
हाँ ठीक है. You got it.
Yeah.
Just give me the points. Damn it.
Beautiful answer. It is Titanic, in which Rose says Monet something to Claude Monet.
1920 was the clue.
And
Left from Liverpool.
Yeah, 1920 is the clue. Anyway, so that was for Abhishek. I gave it to Aditya. The next question goes to Rahul. Rahul, the scene where Princess Fiona burps was written after recording sessions where Cameron Diaz, after drinking Coca-Cola, Cameron Diaz burped after drinking Coca-Cola. Okay? So for this, someone improvised Donkey's response to Shrek, saying she's as nasty as you are. Who is this person who has improvised Donkey's response? In case it is obviously from the movie Shrek. So I'm asking you, who is this person who has improvised Donkey's response?
Okay. Is it Eddie Murphy?
Yes, buddy.
Amazing, man.
It is Eddie Murphy.
Okay, I feel so proud of you guys, seriously. Amazing answer. This question goes to Akshay. Akshay, he was born in Khatri Sikh family as Sampuran Singh Kalra to Makhan Singh Kalra and Sujan Kaur in Dina, Jhelum, okay, in British India. This is present day Pakistan. In school, he read translations of the works of Tagore, which he recounted as one of his life's many turning points. His daughter, so-and-so, documented his life, revealing the man behind the legend in her book, Because He Is. That's his biography, one of his biographies. Now, I want you to tell me who this person we are talking about and his daughter's name. Two questions. I want both the answers. I'm not going to reply if you won't give me both the answers.
Is this Gulzar and Meghna Gulzar?
Brilliant, dude. Amazing.
I have the book in my house. That is why I know.
Beauty. Yes, it is about Gulzar, which Meghna Gulzar beautifully has written. And this is one of his famous shairis. The next, if you guys are done reading the shairi, I'm going to go to the next question. Can I? Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So the next question goes to Akanksha. Akanksha, this is, okay, I'm just going to read it. When I'm concentrating, he explained, I never have more than one drink before dinner. But I do like that one to be best large and I couldn't read that, and very strong and very cold and very well made. I have small portions of anything, particularly when they taste bad. I hate, small portions of anything, particularly when they taste bad. This drink's my own invention. I'm going to patent it when I think of a good name. This is said by James Bond. Now, please order his drink.
Vesper?
Sorry?
Vesper.
No, The question goes to Aditya. I need you to, one second. I need you to give the right order. The correct order. Okay.
Vesper, shaken not stirred. Vesper was the name of the drink, and shaken not stirred was the way of you.
Okay.
Vesper drink का नाम था बाद में patent करा.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna ask you one thing. Can you give me another answer for Vesper?
Martini.
Cool, I can give this to you.
Yeah, dirty martini. Chicken not stirred.
So I'm gonna give 5 to.
I had already mentioned Vesper, isn't it?
So I'm gonna give 5 to Akanksha, but that was not the entire drink order, because you have to give a proper order, which is shaken, not stirred. So since Aditya gave the right order, Aditya will be given 5 points. Okay. The next question goes to Abhishek. All right. Abhishek.
नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को.
I cannot read the.
I'm reading.
So you need to tell me which movie are these wise words from.
ये कौन सा मूवी है बोल रहे हैं?
कौन सा movie?
ये गो गो गॉन. ये तो गाने का लिरिक्स है ना, मतलब वो स्टार्ट इससे होता है ना, ये कुछ तो
नहीं, एंड इससे होता है.
अच्छा, एंड
Okay.
बाबा जी की बूटी.
This is from Goa Goa Gone. They wrote the spelling of kill wrong. Okay. The next question goes to Rahul. Rahul, the concept artist for this Pixar movie studied images of Chernobyl, Ukraine, and the city of Sofia, which is in Bulgaria, for ideas for the ruined world. Art director Anthony Christoph is from Bulgaria and knew the problems its capital had in storing garbage. Which movie are we talking about?
Wall-E.
It is Wall-E.
What?
All right. Amazing answer, man. I really good answers.
Can you go back to the question? मेरे को ये समझा ही नहीं. मतलब he got inspired by Chernobyl for Wall-E.
Yeah. Wall-E is post-apocalyptic kind of setup, na?
अच्छा, oh, okay.
So,
Garbage storage से समझ में आता है.
garbage storage, exactly. Garbage storage was the
real
thing.
hint,
Yeah,
Got it.
but Chernobyl and so both Chernobyl as well as Sofia were studied for the concept art. Concept artists are people who place the spaces, like create the spaces for the set, for an animated movie set. Okay. So the next question goes to Akshay. James Earl Jones, famously known to have given voice to Darth Vader in Star Wars, has also given voice to this 1994 Disney film. He was the only one from the original movie to give the voice to the same character in 2019 when the movie was remade. Movie का नाम बताओ, character का नाम बताओ. एक मिनट. Movie के लिए तुमको 4 point मिलेगा. Character के लिए तुमको 6 point मिलेगा. Because I feel.
Mufasa is Lion King.
क्या फायदा?
ये बोल दिया क्या?
हाँ, बोल दिया और क्या?
That is the answer. It is Mufasa. That is James Earl Jones. This was the last question. Amazing game, guys.
Good game, guys. Good game.
Beauty.
एक भी पास नहीं हुआ, सब जवाब दे दिया.
Beautiful. Very nice. I'm just going to give the marks directly. Abhishek gets 55.
Yay!
Aditya gets 25. Akanksha gets 30. Akshay Tiwari also gets 30. And Rahul gets 55. So
we are tied.
Yeah, but both of you basically will be moving to the finals now.